Hi everyone, welcome back to the Flavour-O-Rama channel. Today we are going to make a tasty, flaky, and delicious oven-grilled fish. For this recipe, we are going to use red snapper. If that sounds satisfying to you, stay tuned and enjoy the video. But first, before we begin cooking, we're going to clean and prep the fish. First, make sure that the fresh fish is cleaned, descaled, gutted, and pat dried with a paper towel. Usually, fresh fish will be previously descaled and gutted when purchased. Next, begin to use kitchen shears and cut away the fins from the fish. These can be found on either side, the top of the body and the bottom of the belly of the fish. Be careful of sharp fins while cutting. Once all the fins are cut off, set the fish aside. Anytime that we are dealing with raw fish, meat, or poultry, we want to make sure to sanitize the area before moving forward in the cooking process. This prevents the spread of bacteria and ensures a tasty and healthy dish. Next, using a sharp knife, we are going to make slits in each side of the flesh of the fish. These slits will help the flavor of the marinade go deeper into the fish. A perfect recipe for great taste. Not to mention how pretty the presentation will be when the fish is done. Now, we can begin to prepare the ingredients for the marinade. First, begin to chop all the veggies for the marinade and set aside. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you are liking what you see here, go ahead and like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Your taste buds will thank you for your participation. Next, begin to chop the produce for the bed of veggies that the fish will lay on while cooking. This will not only infuse a nice flavor and aroma for the fish, this also helps soak up the drippings from the fish as well. Now, begin to blend the veggies for the marinade together. Add a bit of water to the blender to make the blending a bit easier. After the fresh veggies are well blended and smooth, begin to mix the remaining marinade ingredients together until completely incorporated. Using cooking spray on a flat grill pan, place the onions and peppers onto the pan that the fish will lay on. You may spray the top of the veggies as well. Begin to rub the marinade mixture onto the fish, making sure that all the seasoning gets into the slits that were made in the fish earlier. Then, place fresh lemon slices and thyme sprigs into the opening of each fish. When the fish is completely covered with seasoning, cover with plastic wrap or foil and place in the fridge for a few minutes. Now, place the fish on top of the onion and pepper rings. Begin to broil the fish on high for 10 minutes in total, 5 minutes per side. While cooking the fish, baste each side of the fish with more of the marinade and a bit of cooking oil. Now, before basting, place the marinade into the microwave or on the stovetop to cook for a couple of minutes. Do not put uncooked raw marinade on the cooked fish. After both sides have been broiled, flipped, and basted, place back into the oven for 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's it, everyone. Delicious, flavorful, flaky, yet juicy oven-grilled fish. This can be served with a yummy side, a salad, or perfectly on its own. Thank you so much once again for tuning into the Flavour-O-Rama channel, and we'll see you next time.